In this video, I'll take you on a tour of Balcony Room 578 aboard Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class ship, Harmony of the Seas. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see more room and ship tours and reviews. So this is a balcony stateroom on board Harmony of the Seas. It's actually room, let's see, 6578. And this is something different from the first cruise ship I took, which was Voyager of the Seas. But you have to have your room key in this slot for the lights to come on, which is helpful to know. And we've already been in here and wandered around the ship, so laid on the bed for a second. So it's a little crumpled, but all of our bags have not arrived yet. And as you can see, it's a good sized bed and you have closets on both sides. Let's look in here. Yeah, this one is the one that has the safe. And you got a little bit of hanging space, but there's no hangers in here, I notice. Got a couple of drawers down here, which I threw a hoodie in there. It's quite chilly when we got on this morning. And this is, let's go ahead and look at the bathroom. Oh, there's your thermostat. It's just cooler or warmer. Like, it's not a digital thermostat. It's a pretty good sized shower, and I like that it's not a curtain. I like that. Yeah. Oh, so you need to come this way. Let's come this way and open it. And it looks like it's got that 2-in-1 hair and body wash, which is why I always bring my own, because I can't use 2-in-1 body wash on all this hair. Plus I need like a giant size thing of conditioner for a week-long cruise. But you do have shelving, which I really like. We will be using that. So it's a good size. It's a good size bathroom, guys, for a cruise ship. Good size TV. Another closet area. Oh, and there is, let's see, there's one outlet here and light control there. I didn't notice the outlet over here. Is there an outlet here? No. So there's only an outlet on one side of the bed, right? But there's more here in your little vanity area. It's a good size vanity mirror. And then you have 2 USBs. And some more, what is this? Oh, that's your vanity light, cool. And then you have the mini fridge. Well, it's keep it cool, but not cold. This is a cooler, not a refrigerator. So there you go, you have a cooler if you need to store meds or anything. Keep your drinks cool. And there's more drawer space here. You got 4 more drawers. This is your sofa and or pull-out bed. They're gonna come and fix that. Or you could, there's like a trundle under there. So this, my son pulled this out earlier. So you could just do, yeah. You could have someone sleep on the trundle and then someone sleep here. And your stateroom attendant will come fix that up for you. And then here's the balcony. And it's a good sized balcony. We did not get the oversized balcony. We just got the, is that what it's called? Oversized or spacious balcony. We just got the regular balcony, but it's pretty good size. It's the Port of Galveston. It's a pretty good size. All in all, I'm really happy with it. You got a full-length mirror right here by the door. I'd say the only thing that I've noticed is that there's no hangers in this closet. Were there hangers over here? Let's look. Let's look. Yeah. There's plenty of hangers here. Okay. So that's good. At least my clothes will fit in there. So that's it. Balcony room, Harmony of the Seas, guys.